Finally, the long wait is over. Yung matagal nyo nang inaantay at yung matagal nyo ng mga tinatanong kung saan ba available at saan ba makakabili, nandito na ang Buildrite Hub ng Del Monte Avenue, Quezon City at ang mga iba't ibang mga Buildrite Hub stores nationwide. Tara, explore natin kung anong meron sa loob ng Buildrite Hub. One thing that you will notice about this hub is that wala kami masyadong products na naka-display because ang naka-focus po dito sa ating showroom are the applied samples para malaman po ninyo kung ano ang tamang chemicals para sa inyong mga projects. This is to give you a better experience on what construction chemicals are all about. One benefit that you get from visiting the Buildrite Hub store is that you get most of the construction chemical solutions in one roof. Ika nga, from buhos to finish. Dito sa surface section is an abbreviation for surface fixing. Before ka mag-apply ng waterproofing or ng coating, kailangan mo muna i-fix yung surface. So there's different kinds of moisture barriers. And then here, makikita naman natin yung iba't ibang klaseng bonding agent. What are your solutions naman for dusting floors, weak concrete? This is the module naman or applied samples for construction solutions. What is your requirement? Underlayment for leveling floors before you install flooring system. You can see how you repair structural crack repairs. So ang maganda rito, we have technical engineers to guide you and support you kung meron kayong mga katanungan in this section. Nakikita naman natin ang mga iba't ibang klaseng waterproofing solutions. Yes, opo, marami pong klaseng waterproofing system for your different needs. Makikita natin dito, if you need an exposed waterproofing, for light to medium traffic, nakalagay na po yung system at yung applied sample. Here at this section, you can see how you do below ground external waterproofing or your roof garden system, whether you want to have a tile over tile waterproofing system. Mag-repair ng tiles, ayaw mo na magtanggal dahil may seepage, it's up to you to decide which product you would want to choose. In this section, makikita naman ninyo ang mga finishing solutions. Yung mga iba't ibang klaseng finishing solutions. For instance, ang exterior insulation and finishing system or EIFS kung familiar po kayo. Para hindi mainit yung ating pinakamataas na floor, ginagamitan na natin ng EIFS. Yung skim coat po ng Buildrite, makikita nyo, dapat wala po kayo makikitang pulbos. Here naman, you can see your drywall, kung paano mo siya dapat gawin. And dito naman, how you do finishing repair system. In this section naman, yung ating tiling solution. At kapag hindi nyo naman masyado po naintindihan kung ano ang tamang tile adhesive na inyong gagamitin, our technical engineer here at Buildrite Hub will guide you kung ano yung tamang tile adhesive na para sa inyo. Makikita rin natin yung iba't ibang kulay ng tile grout na meron si Buildrite. At the same time, at this section, maituturo din namin sa inyo kung paano ba ang tamang paraan ng pagle-level ng ating tiles using the tile leveling system. In this section is our flooring system section. So here makikita natin yung iba't ibang klaseng types of floors that you will be needing for your construction. How does a permeable floor works? Bagay ito sa mga resort ninyo or sa mga lanai areas ninyo. Nandito rin yung mga iba't ibang samples, whether you want to use epoxy, you want to use polyurethane. Do you want to have a rubberized floor for your basketball courts or even yung mga pickleball courts? Nandito naman, pinapakita din natin yung mga anti-skid floors. Kung medyo madulas yung ating concrete, or even kapag madulas yung ating tiles, or kailangan mo lang ba ng isang coating para sa ating mga roof deck para to protect your mga waterproofing. In this section is the sealant and adhesive section. Kung makikita nyo sa diagram, marami pong klaseng sealants para sa mga iba't ibang pangangailangan po ng ating bahay. Meron ditong mold-resistant na sealant, meron din ditong acrylic sealant para sa mga door jamb ninyo, meron din mga neutral cure na sealant, at meron din mga butyl tape na sealant. There are different types of adhesives as well para hindi ka magkamali, seal it the right way, at magtanong para sigurado. This section is the protective coating section. Nandito yung reflective roof coating solutions natin on how you can protect your roof from corrosion at the same time reduce heat by 2 to 3 degrees Celsius. And we also have our specialty tools section. Dito po sa section na to, makikita nyo ang mga iba't ibang gamit para hindi po kayo mahirapan at siguraduhin tama po ang pag-apply po natin sa ating mga chemicals. At dito naman yung aking favorite na area. Dito nakapag-relax tayo, Pwede ito maging waiting area po ng mga customers kapag may inaantay na sample or may inaantay na produkto na kinukuha sa likod ng storage area. Kapag may mga tanong ang ating mga customers, so yung technical engineer namin will use this space to explain kung ano yung tamang solutions. Dito naman, hinahanda yung mga orders ninyo para isakay sa inyong sasakyan. Sana nagustuhan niyo yung ating store tour. Kung meron kayong mga suggestions or comments na gusto niyo makita sa loob ng store, please feel free to give us your suggestions sa comment section. And available na pala ang Be-Right Hub nationwide. Flash on your screen is kung nasaan yung mga Be-Right Hubs located near you. And if you are interested to become a Be-Right Hub franchisee, please message us. Again, I'm Derek Tan. Magtanong para sigurado!